Whoa, hang on. I think I found something.
Look at this. The soil here is incredibly rich.
Yes, much darker than the samples from the ridge.
I can't believe it. Look at the size of this thing.
It's exactly like the legend said. It's magnificent.
I can't believe it. A Model A, right here.
It's magnificent. Look at the rust.
Watch the chains on the left.
Okay, set it down right there.
Watch the chains on the left.
Okay, set it down right there.
A little more, a little more. All right, hold it right there. Perfect.
All right, she's down. Looks perfect. Excellent work. Let's get these straps off.
The steering sector is completely locked up.
Yes, and the flange is cracked right through.
We're looking at a full disassembly before media blasting.
That's snug. Check the mirror.
Underneath. Looks solid from underneath.
No kinks here. Good to go. That's snug. Check the mirror.
Underneath. Looks solid from underneath.
No kinks here. Good to go. Clearances look good on this side.
Okay, that's 75 foot-pounds. Clicking now.
The timing marks are aligned.
It's heavy. Keep it level.
Pins are engaged. Looks good.
Okay, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Clear. Set it down gently.
Check the tension on the clamps. All right, lift together now.
Steady, steady.
Okay, clear on this side. Get the clamps.
A little to the left.
Okay, the laser looks good now. Centered perfectly. Go ahead and squeegee. Watch the clearance on the right. Okay, hold it there. It's almost home. Lower a fraction more.
Lowering now. Watch the clearance.
Looks good. It's seated.
Final torque applied. Check the gaps. Looks good.
Yeah, smooth as silk.
Watch the alignment on the bottom tab.
It's secure.
Pass the socket wrench.
Okay, easy now. Start the bolts by hand first.
Got the first one snugged up.
And torque to spec. Perfect. That's not going anywhere. We finally did it.
She's beautiful.
Ready for the showroom.
Check the stick again.
Right on the full line.
All right, perfect fill.
Look at her go. The paint job looks incredible in this light.
Oil pressure is good.
Sounds perfect.
A little to the left, careful of the paint. Okay, that's centered. Tighten in the clamps now. Looks good. Very smooth finish.